Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Exness to TradingView, or explore alternatives if direct connection isn't possible. Let's get started. First, head over to TradingView and log into your account. At the top of the page, you'll see several options. Click on Brokers. This will take you to a page listing all brokers supported by TradingView. Scroll through the list, and you'll notice that Exness isn't available. Unfortunately, TradingView doesn't currently support Exness directly. But don't worry, there are a couple of alternative solutions. The first is to use the Exness terminal. The Exness terminal offers faster, more advanced, and customizable trading tools with low latency and multi-asset support. It's similar to TradingView, but with a more streamlined and user-friendly interface. Another option is to use paper trading on TradingView. This allows you to trade with virtual funds, practice strategies, and develop your trading skills without connecting to a live broker. So, while direct connection isn't possible, these solutions let you trade efficiently and test your strategies. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.